What is up, YouTube? So I want to do a quick little video on the SunFounder SF-986. Picked this up off Amazon for about 40 bucks. I know you can get them a little bit cheaper, but at the time I needed one and I could have it the next day prime. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. It heats up extremely quickly. Go ahead and put it up about 800 degrees. It heats up extremely quickly. It does a really good job soldering. It actually came with 4 tips. There's 2 here. Here's you go. Has another pointy tip. And on here it has the little chisel tip. So, like I said, got it from Amazon, came prime, had it the next day. I needed it to solder up some connectors, but turned out those connectors were knockoff anyways, so it really didn't help me out much. So I actually just ordered a entire rework station, which I'll be doing a separate video on, but in the meantime I wanted to show you guys this. So it has a nice little pen. This thing's already starting to get hot. Let's see if we can melt some solder here. Yeah, see, like I just turned it on. It can already melt some solder. So like I said, great iron, heats up extremely quick. And for the price, like I said, I think you can find it over on on eBay for closer to 20 bucks. But again, for 40 bucks, Amazon Prime, have it the next day. Great little soldering iron. Definitely a huge step up from, a quick little pencil iron. So if you're looking to step up your soldering game and want something cheap that's going to be good, check out the SunFounder SF-986. Great little station. Gets real hot, heats up extremely quick. It also cools down quick if, like when I solder, I do a certain temperature, and then when I go to melt, like into an XT90 connector, you need to bump up the heat. So it definitely adjusts the heat very quickly. So, alright guys, you know what to do. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Got a lot of good videos coming up. We got the eRevo 2.0. I'm just waiting on some connectors to come so I can get my batteries done for that. We got the X-Max. We're going to go out and do some bashing videos. Also have a rustler build coming up. We're going to do a speed run rustler. So got a lot of big things in the works. So definitely stay tuned, guys. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Be safe out there, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.